Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, I will going to tell about one of the most important update regarding the Google Cloud Arcade program, which has going to end of this month. So this is the last month which has going on. So I will going to tell about a few important point which you have to do before the price counter will start. So first of all, you have to subscribe here. If you not subscribe till now, just you have to subscribe to the arcade for getting a price counter mail. If you not subscribe here, you will not able to get a price counter mail. So make sure that you have to subscribe. So let me show you how to subscribe. So just you have to click here and just you have to read whatever they have mentioned here. This is the policy. They have condition like term and condition they have given. If you want, you can read and make sure that on the register time which email id you have given on that email id you have to give here, like just you have to give your email id here and click next. And here they have written some understand that like term and condition, you have to follow this all the term and condition and just you have to click here yes, yes, and click submit. So these are the things you have to, if you want to read you can read, and finally you have to submit here. And after submitted you will get one mail like you have successful subscribe. So this is the way how you will going to subscribe for the arcade. So this is the important point guys, if you not subscribe you will not get a arcade point like price counter mail. So make sure that you have to subscribe. And one more point I would like to explain, like first of all you have to go to your skill boots account, go to your account and just click on setting here, setting, and make sure that these are the point is enabled, like you have to tick a here point, this point also enable should be enable. If you not enable these things you will not receive also price counter mail, because they have mentioned all those things here, send me occasion product update announcement and offer. So make sure that it will enable all those things. So these are the point you have to enable. And here you can also see here your public profile. So make sure that if you till now you have not made your profile public, just you have to make your profile public. If you, if your profile is private means you will not able to get also private like price counter mail. So make sure that you make your profile public. And these are the things you have to do a enable before price counter will get open. And just you have to click here and click update. So your skill boots account will going to update, has been updated. So these are the point you have to do before the price counter will open. So I hope you guys get to know about an important point. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you.